Yeah. So, sir, here in this the graph, most goods and most services. If I see the graph, still from clothing till childcare, there is a involvement of goods, and from vacations till medical diagnosis, there is of service. But if you see in the middle, that restaurant means.
Hemant, yes, you are right. As you said, Alison also saying the same thing. My question here, the left side, the starting point is clothing, right?
Yes,
Next
sir.
one is jewelry. Okay.
Okay.
So it is written in some order. It might be
Okay.
related to, so they want to differentiate service and goods. So
Okay,
even
sir.
if it is a good, it is written in order.
Sir, I think we can clothing and service from this side. If you're saying regarding the order, it's very easy to know the price or how to. I mean, for example, we can know what's the value, clothing, jewelry, and all. We can market. So that's what I feel because easy to evaluate, difficult to evaluate. That's what they've written.
No, don't see
So,
that I only said, don't see this. Easy
okay,
to evaluate and don't see the below things. Just from
okay,
the diagram. So
yeah,
this way they will call it as a tangibility or intangibility spectrum. Tangibility to intangibility spectrum.
yes,
Sometimes it is called as a product service continuum.
okay, sir,
Product service continuum. They mentioned the left side is a product, right side is a service, but they are not mentioned as a product or good. They mentioned as a most good, most service. That
okay,
means
sir.
every good has some service part, every service has its own product part. Correct? That is the
Yes, sir.
meaning. There is nothing we can sell, only service, only product.
Okay,
Can you say that any purely product, pure product?
no, sir. Clothing. Uh,
Even if we say clothing, it has to be delivered to some other mode, right? So, payment services, delivery services, packaging services has to be added for selling a clothing, correct?
okay, sir. Yes,
And if
sir.
it comes to a service, even we will say the flight service, transportation service, it is visible, correct?
Yes, sir.
But we need some product also. So there should be flight should be there, air hostess should be there. Okay. So we cannot blindly feel. So even it is a purely tangible product or purely intangible product that is called as a service. There is a mix of product and service. But what is the percentage of mix? Which is having more? Which is having a less contribution? Is the diagram is depicting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, Hemant. I will go move to the next person. Jeffin. Jeffin.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Switch on your video.
Yes.
So can you explain marketing of jewelry and marketing of furniture? What is the
Uh,
difference you might be feeling with respect to service?
for furniture, for example, if you're selling any furniture, so they'll be coming with some amount of what do we call kind of after sale services. For example, if at all we are purchasing any furniture, will be giving us any warranty or guarantee for this much of amount. There'll be it will be you can use it, and after that, if it's any problem, they'll repair it. For jewelry, I don't know so exactly for jewelry.
Simply, I'm asking, what are the
Mhm.
challenges in marketing a jewelry? What are the challenges in marketing a furniture? How you market jewelry? How you market furniture? I'll be given with the two products. You have to market it. Okay? How will you proceed with that?
So jewelry, so it's for any special occasions, and also will market. For example, so Akshay Patra and all these kind of occasions, they purchase jewelry,
That is
gold and
occasion. That is occasion. You identify this occasion. How you market this product?
market as if so will first of all target the customers who are buying more. I mean, rich people. So they'll be purchasing jewelry in a more quantity. So I'll target first those people, and later jewelry. It's not that they'll only be purchasing it, but still, so I'll target those people.
So you
For
said
furniture,
that, okay, you segmented the market, you targeted the market, you selected some set of people. Yes, okay. What is the next? You are having jewelry items with you and you identified some people. Next, what you will do?
so I'll sell it.
How you will sell?
So I'll pitch in about the product. So
How?
how
And you
it's
are
a,
having some jewelries. I am saying that you are having 10 diamonds, you are having,
yes,
okay, 10 gold rings, you are having. Everything is in your hand. You identify somebody from Kerala. There are around 100 people who are there. Next, what you
yes.
will do? You are in Bangalore, assumption.
sell. I don't know, sir. Maybe
Sir?
which is the products and also advertise about the same, sir.
How you advertise? Where you
So,
advertise?
so through we have a lot of mediums. For example, online media and advertisements in newspapers and televisions and all. So, so all these are kind of
Okay,
more of
you
advertising.
advertised. What is the next step?
So most hopefully
You
they'll
are
come to
going
buy
back
the
to
products.
your target audience is in Kerala. You advertise.
Yes.
Next step, you advertised. Okay, I given a 1 crore money. You advertise through different mode: TV advertisement, banner advertisement, email
Yes.
advertisement, everything you did. What is next?
So hopefully they'll come to buy, sir. Or else, if they are in a faraway locations, I'll provide some service of
Whether
fine,
you
sir.
sit in your room and you will start praying that they will come.
No, no, sir. So hopefully, sir, I did all these right advertisements and also.
Given just not all, sir. You given just advertisement. Don't say that all effort. Advertisement is not all the effort. You just given the advertisement. It might be telecasted for 1 week. Then what's next?
Yes. So what's next?
The 100
One,
customers aware of the product. They are also have the interest to buy the product. But you are
yes, sir.
having jewelry in your home, in your packet. How they can buy?
Hopefully, sir, I'll try contacting them, sir. See,
How you can contact them?
so might be
You
sir, a lot of
advertise this, sir.
friendly.
This daily we are seeing lot of advertisement, right? Whether all the people are calling us, whether all the
No,
people
sir.
are texting us,
No, sir. No, sir.
how we are buying the product.
So, so if they are interested, sir, they'll come, right, sir.
Sir, daily you are seeing advertisement, sir. How you are buying the product? You are seeing the product through advertisement.
Discount, sir.
Yes?
So
Discounts,
any online
discounts.
services, for example, so I
Discount is
mean,
also promotion, sir. What I am saying, you aware of the product, you have an interest to buy the product. Where I have
yes,
to buy the product? I am customer, I am asking where I
any
can buy the
medium,
product.
for example, so online portal or something. So if at all I'm selling my jewelry in an online portal, they can contact or buy similarly the same way we are buying clothes and also.
Okay, so how many people are buying jewelry through online? Why you are depending only on online?
Not just online, so for shops and also obviously we'll be having shops, so they'll come to buy
You
from
have
the
to start
shops.
your shop, right? But you have
Yes,
never
sir.
spoken about opening a retail shop. You just say that I'm having a jewelry shop. I will give the advertisement, and somebody told I will give a discount. But where I have to buy? You
So
have to create
without shops,
that is called as a retail shop, right? At least, or it is a retail portal, correct?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
So even if you have a retail outlet, what type of retail outlet? Jewelry outlet only. Then you have to think about what location I have to keep, how many
Yes, sir.
employees I have to keep, correct? How many
Yes,
jewelry I have to stock. See, then they have to come. They have to come from Kerala to Bangalore, and they will roam. They will check your jewelry. Okay, they may buy and they may not buy.
yes,
Correct?
sir.
If they buy, we have to follow them, how they are satisfied. If they are not buying, we have to understand what is the need or what is the mismatch between their expectation and our expectation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So here, if it is a clothing or jewelry means it will be nearly 90 percentage. Nearly 90 percentage is a physical product. Correct? We are going to any jewelry item, we are just purchasing a product. But even then, that jewelry shop itself, we have a lot of sentiment towards a retail shop. We are thinking about a convenience. We are thinking about the respect given by the salesman. We are thinking about the parking place. We are thinking about the ambience, correct? But we are gone for only buying the physical product. Okay, and you are speaking about a discount, and you will compare the discount to the next person. You will speak about the service guarantee and warranty. You will speak about a 916, correct?
Yes, sir.
So even you have a physical product, only if it is a 90% physical product, only 10% service. Even for the 10% service itself, there are a lot of process involves means if you come to this side, right side, medical diagnosis, auto repair. Okay, whatever process they are doing is completely service. 99% service. You are parking a car in their service place. What they are doing? They are servicing and giving back to them. You are not buying anything. You are not buying any motor. You are not buying any oil. Just they are servicing. Correct?
Yes, sir.
We can see only your car is clean, car is neat, car is beautiful. The dirt is gone. That's it. Correct? But think from a servicer point of view. So when we speak about the jewelry and clothing, we have the product, we have the identity, we have the design. We can choose the product easily, we can evaluate the product easily. Even for that, we need to give some service. That part of service itself so much challenging means this side, mostly it will be legal consultancy. Okay, maintenance services, repairing services. Correct? Mostly there are 90% they are service oriented, only 10% might be the people dress, might be the bill, might be the document. Only 10% is physical. Then how challenge it will be. Are getting the point? So this is actually mentioned in the same diagram can be mentioned for different things. The left side, the tangibility is more. Right side, tangibility is very less. It's go on decreasing from left side to right side. Correct? So they interpreted another thing. If it so means left side, it's mostly tangible, mean mostly it is goods oriented. Goods mean physical product. Product is a common word. Please understand, product is a common word. Anything a customer is ready to buy or exchange money for getting a utility is called as a product. If it is tangible, we can use the word called good. If it is intangible, we can use the word called service. But generally, we are using a word called product. Okay, so good is also a product, but here we are classifying whichever is intangible, we call it as a service. So left side, most, I'm not saying 100%, most of the future is goods oriented future. Right side, it's slowly decreasing. So at the end, right corner, it will become mostly services. There will be less physical evidence, less tangibility will be there. So that is one example. And so they are adding another thing, easy to evaluate, difficult to evaluate. Okay, left side. So here we are speaking about the evaluation. Here we are explaining about consumer satisfaction. Consumer satisfaction, we have to explain about consumer expectation and the product performance, service performance here. Okay. So as it is a physical product, it is very easy to evaluate. Right side, it is mostly service oriented, that is intangible. It is difficult to evaluate. So this is also a continuum. Okay, when we are evaluating a product and services, when it is mostly tangible, mostly goods made, we can easily evaluate. Right side, if the tangibility is go on decreasing, it is mostly service oriented, it is intangible, it is difficult to evaluate. That is one parameter. Okay, so come down. Another thing. So whichever is in the leftmost thing are high in search qualities. Search, so we already studied about 3 attributes: search attributes, experience attributes, credence attributes. When it is mostly physical product oriented, goods oriented, means it is search. What I want to buy? I want to buy a biscuit. What is meant by biscuit? Biscuit can be round in shape, or square in shape, or rectangle in shape. And another identification of the biscuit, the biscuit may be brown in color. Correct? The biscuit pack will be like this. In the biscuit, it will be written as a biscuit. Correct? If you say a kid to buy a biscuit, how you will explain? You will explain like this, right? So go to the supermarket. There will be a lot of cakes. Biscuits will be available. You go to the food section. Ask for a biscuit. Whichever is rectangle, whichever is round. The name Britannia. So likewise, we can easily identify. Even the brand name is there, pack is there, as it is having a physical evidence. Okay, laptop, we know how it looks. Mobile, we know how it looks. So here, when I am looking for a product, mostly product mean I am looking for a search qualities. Search, quality, design, weight, structure, heaviness, dimension. Then slowly, if you see the center, restaurant meals, okay, vacations, haircuts, child care, these things comes in the center. So this might be 50% tangible, 50% intangible. Here, how I can evaluate? To some extent, as it is a physical evidence is there, I can evaluate. Balance thing, how I experienced it. Child care, pet care, how they cared my kid. I am not experienced it, but what are the experience shared by the kid? How it's shared, whether it will smile or cry. So the center part is more in experience attributes, experience qualities. If you come to the right side, it is a mostly intangible, so it is credence qualities. We cannot define properly. Legal services. So this lawyer is better than this lawyer. How? He will speak nicer. How? He will give more points. How? So we have to ask n number of questions to define the service of the lawyer. Result is different. Sir, he won this much cases, he lost this much cases. That is a result. But when you want to explain about the service of the lawyer, a service of the doctor, a service of the teacher means it is very difficult. Even you are listening to the faculty for the last 2 years. When you want to evaluate, you can evaluate with one faculty with another faculty in terms of result, in terms of personality, in terms of language. So these are things, visible things. If you remove the visibility or tangibility spectrum, how you can evaluate? There is a big question mark. That we feel, sir, I understood he is better than him, but how? We don't know. This doctor is better than that doctor. How? We don't know. So we try to drag with some infrastructure, his language, his equipments, but exactly service means we will be a little bit disturbed. So that is high-end credence quality. So why here I am just putting the diagram in. This is called as continuum, service product continuum or product service continuum, or tangibility to intangibility continuum or tangibility continuum. So continuum is a common word. So you have to understand, even we have a n number of product and services, there is a mix. All the product have some service, all the service have some product, physical evidence will be there. Some product and service have the 50-50 combination. So before marketing your product or services, please understand what level or which continuum it belongs to, which percentage of tangibility it belongs to, whether it is easy to evaluate or not evaluate by the customer, not by you. When I am marketing, how they perceive me, how they evaluate me, how they compare me with others. If I understood these things, then only I can design a service. So might be in a third unit, we'll be analyzing about a service quality. Why we are discussing all these things? I have to design a 7-piece. If it is a service means I have to design a 7-piece. For this, I have to understand these things. Okay, Jeffin, thank you. We'll move to the next one. Okay, so by considering the earlier points, so till yesterday what we discussed is common for service and product. Okay, so now we will discuss few things about services. So generally the consumer behavior in services also, we have to consider the choice. The choice is based on the need recognition. That was first step. Okay, so these are the few words which is related to matching the customer expectation. So whenever we are designing some services for the customer, we can have some objective. Apart from sales, okay, apart from revenue. So the first thing we can see that I want to meet your expectation. So my objective can be, I am going to provide some service. My objective is I have to meet your expectation. Or otherwise, I have to exceed your expectation. You are having some expectation from me, from my services, but I want to exceed that your expectation. Third one, I want to delight you. Last one, I want to amaze you. These are some technical words is used in services marketing. Okay, so we have loyalty, delight. Okay, these things are there. So here, what is the base point here? Here, base point is customer expectation. So if you want to meet, if you want to exceed, if you want to delight, if you want to amaze your customers, first you have to understand what is the customer expectations. What are the customer expectation? What is the degree of customer expectation? So I also expecting some taste from a tea. You are also expecting some taste from the tea. But how much percentage I am sticking on to it? Okay. So for example, the tea is served to me and to you. Okay. There will be a little bit deviation from our expectation. Both are having same expectation. This much sugar, this much tea, tikashin, this much quality of milk, this much quantity of water. Everything is fine. Both are served. Okay, but you had little bit over expectation from the tea. You said, sir, little bit the sugar is more. Okay, I don't want to drink. So for me, it's okay. So I believe it is a less or more, no problem. So even for the same quality, same quantity of the tea, from the same expectation of the two people, how they perceive is also different. And even there is a deviation from the performance. One person is accepting it, another person is not accepting it. One person is satisfied, another person is dissatisfied with the same service. Okay, the classroom means if there are around 60 students, means the 60 students cannot understand the same way how I want you people to understand. Understandability by the one person, understanding by the another person will be different. So how I can evaluate? The problem here is I am providing the service, I understood some expectation from your side, I am delivering the service, but how I can evaluate my performance if there is n number of customers? That is a challenge. Okay. So, so these things we already discussed: information search, evaluation of alternative, purchase, consumption, post purchase. These are the steps in consumer service decision making. Okay. Okay. So before this, we will walk on with some discussion. Okay.
Yes, sir. So it's generally about the hotel services, right?
Yes. Hemant, where is Hemant?
Sir, here, sir, again there's a problem. It's not coming. Hanging. Zoom is not responding. Zoom meeting not responding. And now okay. Huh.
Okay. Okay. Saya, please continue just for 2 minutes. All, please, all the three consolidate and give the points.
Yes, sir. So the very first thing that we would look into when we get into the hotel is that how they greet us. If they give us a welcome drink or any sort of a welcome gift. If there is any lobby facilities for the outsiders or friends to come meet us in the evening or later, whoever is not staying in the hotel with us. And if the people there have a positive body language, always have something extra than what is promised to give us. They should take our feedback at the end of our stay or etc. And and freebies, for example, like giving extra care to the kids and the elderly, providing more attention to them and taking care of them. Um, then what? Yeah, and then extra providing extra amenities, bathroom necessities, morning wake up calls, swimming pool facilities, free breakfast, ironing facilities, recreational facilities must be provided. That's it, sir.
Okay. So Chandini, Hemant, you want to add anything?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in general, we first expect for cleanliness, sir, and then connectivity, room services, and then customer services is one of the important aspect of customer relation, I guess. So we might expect for the customer service, and then complementaries like shampoos or soaps, etc. So these are the basic.
You want to add anything?
Sir, they should remember the loyalty of the customers towards the hotel. And in case of COVID, if any needed, they should have the delivery to home. So yeah, that's it, sir. They both have covered up.
Okay, okay. So thank you. So please note down everything. So after the class, what you all people have to do is take a paper, okay? Write your name, register number, services marketing. What are the points you are written? Just take a snapshot and share in the WhatsApp.
Okay,
So
sir.
with this next class, I will be discussing it. So can create a
Okay,
Google form, but that will take time. So what is better is whatever you written discussing, just write your own point. Okay. So Hemant means Hemant your point. Chandini your point. Shreya your point. And write the heading as hotel services. Customer expectation from hotel services. Today's date, services marketing. Okay. Just take a photo and share in WhatsApp. Okay, fine. The same thing for other groups also. This will be considered as one of the activity for understanding. Next, I request Alison Babu, Joel. Who is the another one?
Joshua.
Joshua. Yes, Joshua Judge. Yes, so you can speak about your understanding of customer expectation from a airline services.
Yes, sir. Sir, Joel.
Fast.
So I'll start. So, like the basic customer expectations from airline services, like sir, reliability is one of them. I want to be reliable that I reach my destination. So, for an example, earlier Air India had this image of not being reliable. Probably that flight wouldn't take off, or some issue will be there. But like Indigo, for an example, is very reliable. They have this. Even their tagline is like, we make sure that you guys reach in time, or something like that. And first is reliable, then is responsiveness of from airline side. If something goes wrong, like if I want to contact them, like they should make sure their customer support is always on. So one example is Indigo. Recently, I booked a flight and I had to cancel it. I was not getting the refund back. So as soon I called them and so response.
Listen, I'm not asking your experience.
Okay, sir. Sir,
What may be
responsiveness.
the customer expectation from a airline? That's it. List down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it.
Then
Discussion we
sir,
have later. Okay.
okay, sir. Proper safety measures, assurance, empathetic staff. That's it from my side, sir.
Okay, fine. Next person. Joel.
A reliable time for customers,
Okay.
empathy from staff, and affordable price.
Okay. Timing.
So timing.
More things are
Coverage of different location. Yes.
Yeah.
Joshua is there, no?
Insurance.
Joshua is there.
Yeah, insurance coverage during the journey.
Okay.
And second thing is the flight service. How means how good the services are provided. to the-
Joshua, please come online. That I can't see you.
Yes, sir.
It's in a
Sure.
gallery view. Yes. Mhm. Tell me, Joshua.
Sir, yes, sir. How good the services are provided in the flight. That is one factor. And second thing is how the travel, how each journey is insured by the flight company to the customers. And
That's it.
the travel assistance provided by the flight companies to the customers.
Okay. So please remember the team. Again, I am saying immediately after that, take a paper. Okay. Write Joshua Jathambi, your register number, services marketing, topic, customer expectation on airlines. Because in the future classes, we are going to discuss in deep about from the customer expectation. Okay. So please take a photo and share in the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you, team.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you. Yes, next to banking services, Pavan, Melvin, Jubi. Fast. It's time, fast. We have 4 more teams.
Sir, as a customers, they will. It is an important way to keep the good number of customers towards the banking. That customer care and customer service policies, sir. Customer care is like they have as a bankers, as a customers, they will accept from us that proper response what they have problem, what they have coming with the problem. We have to solve those problems face to face, like through
Pavan,
phone.
whatever you are saying is a common, but please speak for banking customers. Whatever you are saying is right for common, but banking, especially for banking, what is the expectations?
Banking side, like loans, business loans, and loans on property, sir. They will accept less interest, sir. These are the services providing new banks providing, sir, so that they can build a goodwill, sir.
Okay, fine. But you have to think more,
That's it,
Pavan.
sir.
Okay. Melvin, yes, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So the banking services are like home banking. So like you can make your account by being at your home. You can open the account, you can transfer your money. And so the remittance of funds. So which means the banks help their customer in transferring funds from your place to another place through the checks and drafts. And sir, debit and credit card services, which all the banks provide to all the customers. And so the consultancy services also, and so the foreign currency exchange, and yes, sir, etc.
Okay, so normally, as I said, these are the products provided by the banks. Okay, so mostly if you check any bank, nearly 75 to 90% all these things will be given by the bank. But what will be the special expectation from the customer? That we have to find out. Where these things can be called as a product, service product. Okay, so let me see. Okay, Jubi, yes.
So adding on to what Melvin just told, banks over any institutions are found to lag when it comes to building relationships. So that's one area that can be focused on. Then, although ATMs and branches are still used by customers now, but nowadays with the whole pandemic setting in, people have now preferred using digital channels. So banks coming up with their own applications, they should make it more convenient and user friendly, so the entire process of transferring and availing funds can be as painless as possible. Then not every customer is the same, so what works on a customer A might not work on customer B. So banks need to pay heed to personalization, and the way they interact with each customer should be different. That's also.
Okay, fine, fine. Thank you. The next team with respect to the insurance, Subham, Jade, Chandini. Please be fast.
Sir, it's Chandan, sir, not Chandan.
Yes. Okay, okay, Chandan. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
So since we go ahead and the guy who comes sells the insurance, he's the main part, sir. So he should be neatly dressed, and he should be able to explain the terms properly and make sure they provide him all the information they require. And we taken over Jade, sir, from here.
Chandan, I asked you what are the services you expect from an insurance company?
As a customer, no, sir?
As a customer, what are the service expectations? This insurance company should give these things.
Yes, so like for example, paying a premium, sir, where as of now they come home and take checks, and if there is a possibility, we can make it online or make it for our convenience. However, we can do it. That would be better, sir. So that was my point, sir.
That is only one point, sir. So I am asking only list. Okay, collection from home, payment through online. That's it. So you have only one point.
Proper term, proper explanation of clauses, good behavior by the insurance seller.
Okay.
Which should not be rude.
Who is rude, sir? In insurance, who will be rude? Nobody will be rude, sir.
Sir, who's selling the insurance, sir?
They won't be rude, sir. They will be so humble. They will be so polite.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying. They should be, sir.
They are like that only. What is the other expectation, sir? Try to find out. Don't explain the characteristics is existing now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Jade.
So according to me, they should, the insurance company should look at what is actually going on, look into cases and see whether people actually deserve what
Jade. Don't try two more questions. I need a key point. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are very good at writing big paragraph, but I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, making sure that the claims are correct.
Okay, claim settlement or claim settlement procedure. Okay.
Claim settlement procedure.
Okay.
And making sure that the person who they paid money to is okay now. Casual checkups. Like if a person is in the hospital and they the insurance pays for them, the insurance company finds out whether they're still doing okay. Their mental health, their physical health.
Okay.
The third thing is giving like the right amount of money that is required and making it easy for people to trust the insurance, and also paying. One important thing is paying the money on time and not making people wait in the hospital for long hours for the payment to go through.
Okay, so Jade is more concerned about the settlement of the claim. So that only will be the expectation from your end. Okay. Okay, from your view. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Anyone left?
Shubham, sir.
Shubham. Yes, Shubham.
Sir, coverage of rural areas, like many people in the urban areas knows about insurance and everything, but in the rural areas, people still don't know about the insurance policies and all. So like one representative from the company can go and tell them about the policies, and like they can also create policies according to rural people income, like the income generated in. Yes, sir.
Shubham, I am not asking suggestion for marketing the services. As an insurance customer, what are the expectations from the insurance company? We are discussing about the customer expectation. We are speaking about the customer expectations. Okay.
So my expectation will be like they come to like my village and tell me about the policy, and they should cover the rural areas as well. Okay. And like they should take less time in the settlement of claims. Like the claims take
So these points already discussed. So we have only 3 points, right? So they have to create awareness. We should have a proper payment procedure, and we have to have an easy settlement procedure. Apart from it, what are the expectations? A customer might have a number of expectations.
Yes, sir. Like expectations to sir can go.
Yes. Okay, fine. Thank you. We will see. Yes, the next group with respect to the hospital services, Rakesh, Vinay, Mohin. Please be fast.
So yes, so regarding hospital services, so cleanliness and hygiene is one expectation, affordability, well-trained staff, and focus on service rather than money, and maybe modern technology with well-equipped, good equipment, and they should have government. They should have link with the government regarding poor patients and other schemes and so on.
So as a patient, you have only this expectation from the hospital. Okay. Let me see other people also. Yes. Rakesh. Rakesh is there? Okay. Rakesh, Vinay. Okay. Mohin?
No, sir. The other expectations will be medical transportation services like ambulance and all, and basic amenities like whether there's drinking water facilities, uh, whether there's facility for ramps and all, and whether the hospitals are conducting free checkup camps for the poor patient as well as the general public, general public, and public awareness programs related to various diseases like for example in today's period it can be COVID or it can be any other disease like AIDS or tuberculosis or something, and dietitianal canteens for the patients, uh, uh, for example who have sugar, BP, pressure and all. So according to that their diet and all can be made inside the hospital only. For that a nutritional dietitianal diet canteen should be like can be one of the expectations from the customers. And the other is integration of dental, physio and allied health sciences services, because for example if a person met with an accident, so it involves the medical aspect as well as the dental aspect, where if it's if it is affecting its like face, and also dental people is also involved for the allied health sciences like services relating to cardiovascular. So they in allied sciences it all comes, so as customers they have these expectations.
Okay, thank you. She will come back later. Yes, with respect to the baby care. So here, Vinay is also not present here. Rakesh is also not present here. Okay, so they will be marked absent. Next one, baby care services. Adarsh, Naveen and Joshua. Please be fast.
Yes, sir. When it comes to baby care, there are two possibilities. One is like leaving the kid to them, and other thing is like people taking care from their home itself. So the expectations will be like if they are coming to home,
Naveen,
they should be.
switch on the video. Switch on the videos. Naveen
Sir, I
and
told you the problem, sir.
okay, fine. Resolve it soon. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir. When it comes to people coming to home and taking care, they will check the cleanliness, and they will check with the knowledge about the person. They would like to have some mid-range people over young people, because mid-range people will have the patience level to handle take proper care. And when it comes to knowledge also, they would like to know a little bit of medical knowledge, because taking care of a baby requires more about it. Yes.
So Naveenan speaks more about only the knowledge and personality of the baby care person.
First expectations will come from there, sir, because once that's done, it's like half of it is complete.
Let's see. Okay, Adarsh Kati. Is it here? Okay, Adarsh is also absent. Okay, next. Joshua.
Another expectation which occurs during these baby care services, which will be like the number of students, the children they are looking after. Like if they are focusing on too many children, they can't focus on one children. So that might be the one expectation for each parents will have, whether they are focusing on their child or they are focusing on the number of child. Like, it depends upon the proper individuals there.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, pet care services, last one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ujjaini.
1 minute. Yes, sir. So in pet care services, most of the customers expect all-in-one services, sir, because there are many products for pets, so they are all segregated separately. Like food is separate, and the grooming is separate, and the doctor is separate. So, but we are trying to put all in one, sir. So, in a place where you get all the services at one place. And another one is we'll also provide an in-house doctor in case
Ujjaini, please understand, the question is not about what are the services you are giving.
Okay,
As
sir.
a general public, what are the expectations from the pet care service? These are the things I will demand from the pet care services. Expectation. Okay.
Yes, sir. These are the expectations because, sorry, sir, because normally when you go to a pet care service and you just basically go for a grooming, but you have to do the vaccination, so you always have an in-house doctor for you. So it is also an expectation by most of them. And also we are trying like a daycare, sir. When you go for a trip for 3 days, so you can leave the pet in the care for us, and they also expect this because the customer has they keep traveling. So. And another thing is pick and drop. As Jeffin said, we can pick the dog from the customer and we can groom it and we can give it back to them. And also we can do reminders for them. So basically we send them reminders about their vaccination, and because customers keep forgetting about their dog's care. So we can remind them that this has to be done on particular this. And we can also, they also expect online consultations because like this COVID or anything might happen and they can't come to physical presence. So we can give them an online consultations for them. And also we can do the home delivery of products because most of them tend to be lazy, so they can't come to a shop, so they expect us to go to them, so we can deliver the products to them. That's all, sir.
Okay, Dikshit, Jeffin.
So she pretty much covered all the points.
Okay, no problem, friends. It's a very good starting insight. So later, please, all of you. So now, immediately after the class, what you have to do is take a paper, write down your own points with your name, register number, service marketing industry, and just to share in WhatsApp group. So it will be eye opener for the others. But please, after going to the home, so you are in home only, right? So please browse more with respect to your services. Then you will be understanding what are the other things are there. As of now, immediately within 5 minutes, we are able to recollect only these things. Okay, so please take your own time, browse about service expectation in baby care, service expectation in hospital, like that. Accordingly, you please put search many points. Okay, then you can note down it. Later we'll have a detailed discussion that will become our activity. Okay, today it is a brainstorming session. Just to share it. Then I will try to share some articles. This is a continuous process. Then as we did a project, we tried to, as a group, we tried to prepare a questionnaire. We will share to our friends. We'll try to get more things. Or you get the points? Okay? Yes. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Thank you. So another, any other one?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
Tourism, sir.
Yes, tourism. Okay. Billava, Soumya, Rachana. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in tourism, the services they expect are hotel services, and also the food. What are the food they will provide? Tickets with the discount prices, very good transportation facilities, and also a guide who will guide him about the places, sir. Next, prices and discount. That's all.
Sir, add on to the Roshan's point, as we customers, we also expect fulfillment of specific needs like safety, functionality of comfortness, cleanliness, and means of transport, what we are expecting, like by which we are going. And also we expect connected journey and expect to treat them as a person, like we are not like they should not get in too much of numbers like tourists, with a specific persons only, and consistency of provide diagnosed issues. They should respond immediately to their problems. That's it, sir. Over to Rachna.
So adding on to Soumya, sir, as she mentioned most of the points above, but mine is like functionality, comfort, facility, adventure of new places,
and professionalism of the staff people. And more and more nowadays, it is connected with the emotions of the customers, sir. Emotions and feelings of the customers, we have to look into it, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you, team. So anybody left? I hope nobody left, right? So please, all of you, search any one service. For example, if you say hotel means, try to search any one existing hotel and try to search for some article. What is the expectation with respect to the hotel, or what are the satisfaction they received from this services provided? So please have a study on it, then you will be understanding many factors influencing. Okay, in the future classes we will be discussing further points. So as of now, Rakesh, Vinay, others have not responded. Okay, we will see other teams, other things we will be discussing in the future classes. Okay, so thank you all for the nice discussion, but please browse more and more. Okay, thank you. I will
Thank
end
you,
the
sir.
meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.